Hello, my loves. Welcome to my channel, Twinkling Stars Astro. This is Shimanshu Singh. I'm so sorry I've not uploaded for 2 weeks of the video. I was just not keeping well, but now I'm back with all the new videos and your update for the month of the September. So let's see, what this Virgo season for my Cancerians are bringing off for the month of the September. All right. So let's see. Holy Spirit and the Spirit of all angels and God Goddesses, what is the message for my beautiful Cancerians for the month of September? The message for my beautiful Cancerians for the month of the September. Alright, Cancerians. This is a general reading, Cancerian, so it might resonate with you, it might not resonate with you, so just relax, alright, just relax and just don't get hard press on yourself if it doesn't resonate, might not be the message for this week, alright. Now I'm open for the personal readings as well. Alright, so you can contact me. The entire information is given in the description box down below. Alright, and I forgot to say, if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Alright, and if you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Alright, I'll try my best to be regular. I'm really sorry for that mishap that happened in between. Alright, so alright, Cancerian, so this is what I have for the month of the September for my beautiful and lovely Cancers. Oh my god. Alright, Cancer. Cancer, I've divided the month into the three sections: the first half, the mid, and the the last half. Alright, so I'll begin with the first half of the September. Alright, with this Nine of Wands, you're protecting yourself from something. You're keeping an eye on the people around, or probably to the to the competition around, but you're all up, as in you're all attentive, and you're all guarding up yourself, that okay, what is happening at my right, what is happening at my left, what's happening in front of me, what's happening even behind of my back. Alright, so you're keeping all the information for the first half for the September. Alright, and there is something like you're scared of me. Probably there's something which is coming across, or probably you have done something in the past which is coming now reverting back to you, so now you're scared of it. Alright, so first half of the September will go in guarding up, when protecting up yourself, what I'm getting over here. Alright, coming to the mid of your September, I'm seeing there's a kind of a argument, or probably a sort of a dispute happening between you and other people in the mid of the September. Alright, or probably you dominating, or you're working bit strategically onto something. Alright, but that is fearing the person, but that is fearing the people around Cancerian. What's happening? What are you trying to do? Alright, so mid of the September and the start of the September will be little stressful, what I'm getting, right? But the good news is that the month is ending with a proposal. Wow. Now look at this beautiful man standing with this pentacle, and this pentacle could be a new project, could be an engagement ring, could be a proposal of getting married, alright, or it could be a new beginning, right? So ending is good, and ending should be good. Whatever happens in the beginning and the mid doesn't matter, but the ending should be good, right? So what I'm getting right now is that and this is hitting me very hard over here. This is related to the personal lives of my beautiful Cancerians, that you're striving for something to come across with you, and that striving has involved you to take control of yourself and take control of the things around you, and keeping a good watch, and maintaining a balance with it. And while doing that, you might have a little kind of an argument, or probably kind of a dispute with somebody, maybe with your partner, a temporary kind of a communication argument, or it could be anything, right? So this is what I'm getting, and the end the final the outcome of the situation is this two of wands. That means your ship is coming in, my beautiful Cancerian. Your ship is coming in, for which you have waited long. You have waited for ages for this, and finally somebody is traveling towards to you. That is also what I'm seeing, is that somebody is traveling towards to you, with this beautiful. So it could be like, somebody might be living in another city and coming towards to you, with that ring of engagement, or probably with a new project or something like that, or probably you would be making a move towards that person, or probably towards that thing. All right, so the ending is what I'm getting, and the overall situation is very beautiful what I'm getting over here. Alright, so let me see what would be the challenge for you, my Cancerian, for the month of September. What would be the challenge for my Cancerians for the month of September? Universe, angels, what would be the challenge for my beautiful Cancers in the month of September? Okay. What would be crossing the situation? What would be crossing the situation? All right, and the final outcome, okay, this one comes out, and the final outcome, I'm so happy, Cancer. I'm myself a Cancer, actually, let me tell you that, so now I'm happy. Oh, at the end of the deck we have the Six of Wands. That is the victory. So whatever you are going to go through in the month of September will end up in victory ultimately, Cancer. So nothing to worry about at all. Alright, so coming towards your challenge is the strength. Alright, so you have to handle the situation, as I am seeing a little argument, the fights in between of the month for you, my Cancer. So you have to understand the situation, and you have to keep your strength high, and you have to balance the situation, and then probably take control of it, and it will be done. So nothing to worry about that, how you will control the situation will be controlled. Angels are there with you, Almighty is there with you, so nothing to worry about at all. All right, and how you can do it is to look at the things that what went wrong, or what you have said that way which has created a problem, or probably just to hold on a bit, to just slow down a pace, to have a look that whatever has happened, or probably what has to be done, so that you can control the situation. All right, so patience over here will play a big role in the mid of the September, or probably in the month of the September, for my beautiful Cancerians. All right, so just look upon that, for whatever you have done in the past, or probably in the past days of even September. All right, so you have to just have a look on it, and by analyzing it, by evaluating it, you will be definitely coming across that how you can tame the situation into your own favor. All right, so that would be the challenge for you, and the final outcome for my beautiful Cancerians I'm seeing is this: the Page of Swords and the Chariot. All right, so somebody is definitely coming across to you, with a marriage proposal, or probably a proposal of a new project. If it is a professional front, and if it's a personal front, then surely there's a very fast moving energy, and Chariot itself is a very it's a Cancerian energy over here, what I'm getting. All right, so Cancerian into the Cancerian energy is like, wow, it's like amazingly amazing. All right, so with this Page of Swords, you would be still a little cautious because of the past experiences of you, or maybe something which wasn't good in your past, that you're protected from that, so your eyes would be at your past as well, while moving it ahead. All right, so that would be cautious enough for getting into this new stuff, whatever is coming across. So that's okay. The happy news is that for Cancerians, that at the end of the day, oh my god, now this is something heck beautiful, heck beautiful. All right, so let me explain you like this. All right, with this 4 cards at the bottom of the deck, I have get this cards, the Six of Wands and the Three of Cups. Both mean celebration. The soulmates cards are coming across to you. That means the chances of romance is on high. You might be coming across to your soulmate if you have not yet came across, or probably if you have already, then there's a chances of marriage or engagement, or probably getting it official. All right, and along with this, proceeding up, you have this Four of Pentacles. all right, and this happy family at the end of the day with this 10 of cups, all right. So here 4 of pentacles suggests me that to lock the situation, to get finalized with the situation and to lock it completely, that means to make the things official, all right, and which leads to a perfect family, because hey, it's a family card, it's a happy family card over here. So most of the chances is that of a kind of a engagement or a marriage taking place, all right. A family is what I'm seeing again and again over here, celebrating onto some grounds, all right. So get ready, Cancer, something is coming across to you very beautiful again in the month of the September, all right. So let me see what Monology has for you, what my oracles wants to tell you. Okay, what do we have for the month of September for my Cancers? What do we have for the month of September for my Cancers? All right, Cancers. As I told you, you guarded up to something. You're fearful about something, that okay, will it take place, will not take place. So an advice coming directly from the universe is that work through your fears. Work through your fears. Nothing will come out of the fears which you are having, and the moment you will be getting out of the fears, conclusions are there in front of your eyes, all right. And at the end of the day, have faith in your dreams. So whatever you're dreaming of and whatever you have dreamt of, it will going to take place only when you're going to handle your fears, all right. So just stop fearing and get going. Things are for you, all right. Things are happening for you, all right. So let me have the final call for you, that what do we have for my beautiful Cancerians, all right. What do we have? What is the final message from the universe for my Cancers? What is the final message for my beautiful Cancers? What is the final message for my beautiful Cancers? Wow, the message is from the Nandi, the carrier of Shiva, all right. And the blessings and the message coming across from him is, I offer salutations to the humped white bull Nandi, whose neck is decorated with bells. He is the carrier of the blue-throated Shiva, the embodiment of Dharma, as unshakable as the Himalayas. So kind of a ritual you can perform for the Cancer, for the month of September, my beautiful Cancers, that would be, you may offer water to Nandi by offering water to Shivling and to the Nandi. So that will help you in making the situations better, all right. And the final blessings from the Nandi is grace of Shiva and Parvati. See, Shiva and Parvati, that it's a couple happening over here in the month of September without any doubt. Ability to carry out one's duty, ability for ever increasing service, knowledge and understanding of one's duty, all right. So a big congratulations to my Cancer. If something is happening there, please let me know. I would be eagerly waiting for your comments down below, whether it resonated with you or not, and how many of my Cancerians are really getting your proposal of getting engaged or anything like that, all right. I hope it resonates with you. See you next week. Thank you so much. Bye bye.